Today I'm going to show you how to create a dot grid in Figma using a quick plugin workflow that saves time and gives you a clean, perfectly spaced pattern every time. This is a really useful technique if you're designing UI backgrounds, presentation slides, social media graphics, or any layout where you want a subtle dot grid element without drawing each dot manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Figma tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file. You can start in any frame or empty canvas area because the dot grid will be generated directly onto your canvas. Once you're in Figma, look down at the bottom menu and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of helpful tools including plugins and widgets. After that, click Plugins and Widgets. This will open the plugin browser where you can search for tools made specifically for creating patterns and design assets. In the search bar, type a dot grid generator name such as dot gridded or use the classic dot grid plugin if that's the one you prefer. Both are designed to help you create a neat dot matrix quickly. Once you find the plugin, run it. After the plugin opens, you'll usually see a few settings that control how the grid looks. This is where you can customize the dot grid to match your design. Set the width and height first, depending on how large you want the grid to be. Then adjust the size of the dots. If you want a subtle background texture, keep the dots small. If you want a more visible pattern, increase the size a little. Next, set the gap or spacing between each dot. This is one of the most important settings because it controls how dense or open the pattern feels. A smaller gap gives you a tighter, more compact grid, while a larger gap creates a softer and more minimal look. You can also choose the color here, so match it to your design style. For example, light gray works well for clean UI mockups, while a darker shade may work better for bold or high contrast visuals. Once your settings are ready, double-check everything before generating. Make sure the dimensions fit your frame and that the spacing looks right for the effect you want. When you're happy with the setup, click Generate. The plugin will instantly place the vector dot matrix directly onto your canvas. And that's it, you've now created a dot grid in Figma without manually building it dot by dot. You can move it, resize it, or use it as a background element in your design. If needed, you can also duplicate it or adjust the plugin settings again to create different variations for other projects. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more fast Figma tips, design tutorials, and workflow shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.